Hey, Ben here from Taqua water filtration. With conventional systems, we often hear people complain about how hard it is to replace the filter cartridge with other systems. So let me show you what's different with the Taqua system. With the Japanese-made Taqua system, we have a filter cartridge sitting here in the head. So you just simply twist it open, there's no tools needed. Everyone can do it in 10 seconds. You can take out the old cartridge, put in a new filter cartridge. Very easy, kids can do it, elder people. No need to bother anyone, no need to wait for the weekend to get the tools out. Very simple. And we've got all this presented in our different models. Everyone has the same basic features, built-in cartridge everywhere, pull-out spray, veggie spray integrated. And of course you can switch between tap water and filtered water as you need it. All here presented in the Build and Design Center, 7 days a week, open for you.